Welcome back. I'm Dr. Amy Novotny. We're going to do a little bit of a different series regarding stairs. How do we use stairs for exercise? Now, one of the biggest ways that we can use stairs for exercise is simply by going slowly up and down stairs and focusing on using our thighs. This will apply to some of the earlier videos where I'm talking about going up the stairs or down the stairs and what muscles to work, but we can truly use this as an exercise, and I encourage people to do this in a safe way. Now, when you do it, we still want a railing nearby because as you do this slowly, you may lose your balance. I'm going to go up these stairs a little bit. We're going to start by going down. Now, as I go down the stairs, I can really get a good, nice thigh workout. As I step down, and let's say I'm going to go down with my right foot leading first, I want to squat, allow myself to round out, feel my front of my thigh, my quads. I can feel my hamstrings because my weight's on my heel, and I can even feel my inner thigh. Now, as I lower myself down, you can see that my hips stay pretty level as I lower myself down, and I even feel a little bit of a stretch in my quad. And now as I lower myself down again, my hips are going to stay relatively level as I lower it down. One of the biggest things that I see with people as they go downstairs, they plop down, they plop down, they plop down, because they don't have something called eccentric control, which is the muscles having strength as the muscle lengthens. Because of that, that can lead to a lot of knee problems and even hip problems. So if we can learn to exercise by lowering ourselves down, and you do it slow, and you can see I can control the whole entire motion, and my muscles are getting a great workout, and they can feel it. They can feel how I can drop down, and it just is an excellent workout, and I know that I have control, and I'm not just plopping down. That's where injuries happen. When we don't have full control over the range of what we're moving, it can become detrimental for our body. So we can use the stairs in this manner to really provide a great thigh workout for several muscles, and it can help us with our balance and stability. But again, as you're doing it, use the railing. I hope this was helpful. Please join me next week. We'll look at more ways to use the stairs. Have a great week. Please reach out to me, Amy at PABRinstitute.com, PABRinstitute.com. Take care. Bye.